guys, so check this out. This is Light Life Tempeh Smoky Bacon. So this is a vegan bacon. So this was on sale. This is why I picked it up. And yeah, this is gonna be interesting. So here's the nutrient panel. If you guys want to read this, pause the video. Now check out the ingredients: water, cultured organic soybeans, lactic acid, tamari sauce, and some natural smoke, sea salt, and some brown rice organic beet powder, and contains soy. So that's what it looks like. Check that out. Alright guys, I do not know how this will taste, but like I said, it was on sale. Yeah, I'm gonna cook it up in the air fryer, and I'll be back. Stay tuned. So I got a little package. That's what it looks like. It's in my air fryer right now, so we're gonna cook it up. I'll be back, guys. Alright, so this is what it looks like. And let's do a quick taste test. Okay, it's not bad for bacon. Actually, it does have a nice little bacon aroma to it, but it's not like what's the word? You can tell it's like soy, but it's not. Flavor-wise, it's pretty good. I'm surprised. I'm really surprised. The texture, it's a soft texture, so it's not gonna have that bacon texture anyways. So, but the flavor is really close. Yeah, definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.